National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flood warning for Franklin County in Florida, Gadsden County in Florida, Jefferson County in Florida, Leon County in Florida, Liberty County in Florida, Madison County in Florida, Northwestern Taylor County in Florida, Wakulla County in Florida, Bay County in the Panhandle of Florida, Calhoun County in the Panhandle of Florida, Gulf County in the Panhandle of Florida, Holmes County in the Panhandle of Florida, Jefferson County in the Panhandle of Florida, Walton County in the Panhandle of Florida, Washington County in the Panhandle of Florida, Panhandle County in South Central Georgia, Berrien County in South Central Georgia, Brooks County in South Central Georgia, Colquitt County in South Central Georgia, Cook County in South Central Georgia, Irwin County in South Central Georgia, Lanier County in South Central Georgia, Holmes County in South Central Georgia, Thomas County in South Central Georgia, Tift County in South Central Georgia, Turner County in South Central Georgia, Worth County in South Central Georgia, Eastern Geneva County in Southeast Alabama, Southeastern Henry County in Southeast Alabama, Houston County in Southeast Alabama, Baker County in Southwest Georgia, Southern Calhoun County in Southwest Georgia, Decatur County in Southwest Georgia, Doherty County in Southwest Georgia, Early County in Southwest Georgia, Grady County in Southwest Georgia, Southeastern Lee County in Southwest Georgia, Miller County in Southwest Georgia, Mitchell County in Southwest Georgia, Seminole County in Southwest Georgia, until 5:30 a.m. BST Sunday/4:30 a.m. CST Sunday/ at 5:24 p.m. BST/4:24 p.m. CST/satellite. Analysis and trends indicate the potential of redevelopment of rain all over the warned area. New convection is expected to move ashore from the Gulf of Mexico overnight. Additional rainfall of 3 to 5 inches is possible over portions of the warned area on top of already saturated soils. The flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has high potential to occur. Stream rises will be slow and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions in areas prone to flooding or in floodways on small creeks and streams or in urban areas. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 5 inches are possible in the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways, and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams, and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape floodwaters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising. Report flooding or flood damage to the National Weather Service in Tallahassee at 850-942-8833. Or you may contact the nearest law enforcement agency or your county emergency management. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.